Bird is hanging upside down to eat. Very interesting. That is a suet cake. The one that's in the front, we have a metal cage for it. The one that's in the back here, we put it in this type of a bag. You get oranges and onions and various produce in this type of a bag. There, I adjusted my arm a little bit. This is very interesting. Will be even more so interesting when we begin to see the birds after the snows are on the ground. This is Kevin from Good Day, Good Prayers, hoping that you have a great day and that you enjoy our videos. Good day.